Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to use paysafecard on App Store. So if you want to use paysafecard on App Store, so what you can do is you can simply go to any nearby store that supports paysafecard, and then use your paysafecard voucher or your card, and then you buy a iTunes gift card. So once you have bought an iTunes gift card made through digitally or through physically, so what you can simply do, you can use that gift card to add it to your account. So if you open up your App Store, and then go to your account and then hit on your account, and then once you have get to this payment selection information here, so payment account settings here. So under payment account settings, click on manage payment, and then what you can do here, so when you get to this manage payment option here, under Apple ID, select on Apple ID under payment methods, and then hit on redeem, and then now you can just redeem the gift card that you bought using your paysafecard, and then redeem it, and then you can redeem your balance with your gift card, and then now you're all good to use your gift card on App Store for any purchases. So that's how you can use your paysafecard on App Store. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.